Today I wanted to talk a little bit about how we are tracking exact users that sign up and, well, that click through a Google ad and sign up on our site. So I'm going to use SuperSend as an example, and we'll walk through how we do proper user attribution. So here's our Google Ads account. This is just, you have your conversions, your impressions, your average cost per click, your total cost, whatever. All this stuff is great information, but for my conversions, okay, so I had 35, but then what happens? And I know that there is some way, in theory, I could pass this information back. And I do have some goals based on a landing page, et cetera, but it doesn't really tell me the actual email addresses that were, that people used to sign up to SuperSend. And then what happened to them? Did they convert? Basically, the question I'm trying to answer is, are Google Ads as a channel, is Google Ads as a channel good for SuperSend or bad? Is it net positive or net negative? If it's net positive, then amazing. This is a growth channel for us. I can tweak this and tune this to try and make it a growth channel for us or make it ROI positive. But unless I know exactly what users signed up and then what happened, did they subscribe? Did they not subscribe? Did they subscribe but the LTV from these types of users that are coming in through Google Ads? Are they, low quality or high quality? How good of a fit are they for SuperSend? So without more information, I really can't answer this from the Google Ads dashboard. So what we're going to do is integrate this product userattribution.com. Basically, it'll break down revenue by UTM source. So if I move myself, you can see Google Ads. So we spent 221 bucks. We've got 176 clicks. We've got $1.26 average cost per clicks, 29 signups. And because I just started this, I think like 10 days ago, there's actually no subscribers yet. But once I do have subscribers, like down here, unknown, 19 subscribers, conversion to paid, and the LTV, and then of course the churn. We're grabbing the LTV and the churn from Stripe. The conversions to paid are from our the user attribution embeddable. So when you go to install this, you can install this on your site. So you just have a little script tag right here that you throw into your application. And then once a user signs up or logs in, you can call this as many times as you want. So you could call it once with an email address right here as your identifier, and then you could call it again once they have a billing ID, and then you could send in other metadata if you want to. And then once you have that, you can also integrate Stripe. So you can go into the integrations tab and add your Stripe API key in here. You can connect Google Ads, Meta Ads, and LinkedIn Ads. So once we do have this all set up, what happens then? You're presented with this dashboard, and I can show the hidden links to all the other kind of random places that people are coming in from. So this one says, okay, I can hide this one, TAF. Some of these are affiliates for us, so I don't need to view all of these all of the time, and I can easily hide them in the dashboard. Now I can just kind of see my core ones. AdWords, this is actually an affiliate that's running Google Ads on our behalf and is having so far better conversions than we are, which, good on them. But I have LinkedIn ads, Google Organic. We just started tracking Google Organic as well. And I can toggle this between the last 7 days, 30 days, 90 days. I'm sure we'll add more filtering options here in the future. So now that we have all this data, what can we really do with it? We have, for instance, let's dig into this person that signed up 45 minutes ago, and they came in through Google Ads. So if I click in here, I can see all of the history. So here's their refer, landing page, device info we collect. We're thinking about collecting additional information if that would be useful. But here's kind of the core of this, the UTM source Google Ads, and we have the Google Click ID right here. So we're able to attribute this user to this particular Google Ads click. So now I can say for sure that this person, they came from Google Ads, and then over time, I should be able to see what their spend is, their LTV, when did they churn, and then in aggregate, roll that up into the Google Ads source. So I can say for sure, I got 30 signups, I got X subscribers, and this is what their LTV was. And I can, over time, as we collect more data, say that maybe Google Organic is a higher LTV, but actually Google Ads works, or LinkedIn ads are more expensive, but their LTV is higher and or their churn is lower. Therefore, we should continue doing LinkedIn ads or continue tuning LinkedIn ads. But that's how you get started with user attribution. We have other integrations as well. You can invite your team, but that is the current product today.